AI is making it easier to create fake voices, images, videos, and messages that look or sound real. These are often called deepfakes. A deepfake is audio, video, or an image that has been created or changed with AI to make it look or sound like someone else. A few years ago, creating a convincing fake voice or video required more skill, time, and resources. Today, AI tools can make it much easier, and with every new release, the technology keeps improving. That means deepfake scams are becoming harder to spot. A scammer might use AI to imitate a manager's voice, create a fake video of an executive, copy someone's writing style, or make a social media video that appears to show a trusted public figure promoting an investment, giveaway, product, or urgent cause. The FBI is warned about scammers using AI-generated voice and text messages to impersonate trusted officials. The FTC has also warned about voice cloning scams where criminals pretend to be a family member in an emergency and pressure people to send money right away. And this is where deepfakes connect back to social engineering. Create trust, urgency, fear, excitement, or authority so you act before you verify. The fake voice or video is only part of the scam. The real danger is the trust that it builds, making a cyber criminal's request more likely to be acted on, especially those that involve money, passwords, MFA codes, sensitive information, payment changes, or pressure to act quickly or secretly. Now, AI is also helping fight this problem. Security teams, researchers, and technology companies are working on tools that can help detect AI-generated images, audio, and video. Some tools can also help verify where digital content came from, but detection is not perfect. The Government Accountability Office has noted that current deepfake detection technologies have limited effectiveness in real-world situations and that identifying deepfakes alone is not enough to prevent abuse. So what can you do? Don't rely on whether something looks or sounds real. Focus on the request. If a message, call, or video asks for money, access, passwords, MFA codes, sensitive information, or a change to normal procedures, pause and verify using an alternate trusted channel before acting. And be especially skeptical of social media videos promoting investments, giveaways, or miracle products. AI can make fake voices and faces more convincing. AI can also help detect them, but your strongest defense is still verification.